In a company building, there was a cleaning staff on each floor, and the grandmother cleaning staff on the 11th floor always smiled. There were always flowers in the toilet she took care of. The flowers were fresh ones among the discarded flowers after the company's event. Employees on the 11th floor liked the toilet, saying it was like a gallery. Cleaning staff have changed frequently, but busy employees has not even been interested in it. However, when they heard that the grandmother was changing, one of the employees on the 11th floor, who felt sorry, visited the president's office and suggested this. Please don't change the cleaning staff on the 11th floor. She is the best cleaning staff. All the employees on the 11th floor, including me, like her. Listening to the employee, the president kept the grandmother working, and she was selected as an excellent employee and rewarded. I just put the discarded flowers in the vase. The grandmother who received the award smiled brightly, saying this. That's right. The person who is essential to the organization is not someone who does great. A person who does what he or she can do in his or her place, and a person who does it with joy and gratitude, is a person who is essential